What's up, everybody? Back for a weekly Forex forecast for the week of the 24th to the 29th. As we do, we check ForecasFactory.com to see what's happening. So right now, as you see, something nothing too crazy. Monday, mostly low impact news. You got Tuesday where things pick up, mostly during New York session, with more volatility for the USD pairs. Wednesday, Asian session, there's FOMC member Waller speaks. And then Thursday's really high impact news day during New York session, affecting the CAD and USD pairs. They got unemployment claims, which should be interesting when the results come out to move the market. And then to end Friday, we got bank holidays, so Friday should be slow. You got a couple bank holidays because of, Easter, Good Friday. So really Thursday is really the most impactful news this week. So let's see the charts. So last week, GBPUSD dropped down due to a lot of news events. So based off the daily, we look like we're ranking structure to continue a downtrend to start this upcoming week. So this week I will be focusing on sales or maybe getting in on a retracement for the buys. So you can literally see it potentially do two things: start to retrace up and come back down, or you can see a continuation since we don't have a strong support until create some support, rise up, and then shoot down. But overall, I guess I'll focus on sales this week for GBPUSD. GBPJPY is in an interesting area. This is on the 4 hour. So you can literally see it potentially try to create some support, retrace a little bit, but I do see us coming down to this zone area, trying to create some type of support to rise back up, ideally. So I'm gonna see how it plays out. I could catch a minor buy over here. If not, I will get stopped out and then wait for the real entry over here for the buys back up. Since we're on an uptrend on a higher time frame. AUDUSD, we came back down. Obviously, we were on a slight uptrend back in beginning of March, but all this retracement brought it down. The news last week shot it up and down. So right now, I'm just being mindful to see if we create some type of support here to ride back up. But if we break here, then I'll be looking for sales for continuation down to the downside for new lows. And for Euro AUD, we definitely broke this trend line. So I would be seeing for potential sales if we come back up here to ride back down as an option. Or we could literally just come back down. And then I'll pay attention to see if we respect this area of support for retracement or we break down. So this one is going to play by ear, what I see, want to hear from the news event. And then Euro New Zealand, right now, for this one, I'm going to mainly look for the retracement. If it comes down, cool. Then I'll look for opportunities back up. Or the market could literally start from Sunday, Monday, and do a continuation to upside, then start to retrace down, then shoot back up. And for those who trade gold, definitely looking for buy opportunities. We definitely pushed up last week and then retraced down. So we're trying to see if we create some type of support so that you get in on a buy entry to the new high. But if we stop out, that's cool. Then I'll look for a sell opportunity to the downside. But right now, I'm focusing on buys for gold. US 30 for the Dow, just waiting for it to come down to see some type of support before I ride it back up. But right now we got some strong momentum coming down, so I do see a continuation before we look for a buy. NAS 100, not really see anything happening yet on uptrend. We kind of creating some consolidation here, so we could literally come back down or literally come back up, creating more highs and support and then to the upside, or retrace down and then go back to the top. So this one, just waiting how to see how it plays out before looking for the entry. But overall, it's uptrend for for NAS 100. For ChfJpy, focusing on looking for opportunities, just waiting for it to come down a little more in the zone before I take a buy opportunity. But if we break through, then obviously focusing on sales. And next, USDJPY. So USDJPY been consolidating a little bit around this area. So right now, I will be looking for potential sales down here, but we could literally break through, create a on a support, and then rise back up. So this depends how the market's going to move. And GBPCHF, so I'm paying attention to this one this week. We're on an uptrend, so I'm going to definitely be looking for opportunities to ride back to the top. And same thing with EurChf. We're on an uptrend, so I'm definitely going to be looking for buy opportunities around this area to ride back to the top for this week based off the retracement. And those who trade Bitcoin right now, focusing on buy opportunities back to this area to see if we could test this previous high. If not, we'll come back down and see if we're going to test this previous area support. But overall, looking for buy opportunities on Bitcoin. And that's pretty much it for this week. Just be mindful that there is holiday Friday, market's gonna be slow. And this week, mainly Thursday, is a big news day. So volatility is going to be happening later on in the week. So just be mindful and trade what you see, know what you think. If you're in comments, let me know. You already know we out here. Peace.